feel like I look weird. Do I look weird? I feel like... I don't know.
I wish you felt alright, just alright, all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh.
What's up, guys? It's Andrea. I'm back. So today I'm going to be doing a requested video, and when I say it's super requested, it's super requested, and I've honestly held this video back and I haven't been wanting to do it because I still want to add like a couple little things to my room, and I do want to get like the Alex drawers and stuff, so I don't want like to do a room tour without showing. And not gonna lie, running out of ideas, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give the people what they want and I'm gonna show them my room. So I was gonna do this during the daytime, but I was too lazy, and also I wanted to show you guys my room when it looks the prettiest, which is the nighttime, because I feel like it looks pretty because of my lights and stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you guys my room, and I'm super excited because my room's so cute. So my room isn't like all that, like it doesn't have a bunch of decor, but that's kind of the look I was going for. I really wanted to be minimalistic, and the theme is like white and gray. I really hope you guys enjoy this room tour since it has been highly requested, and I will do an updated version in like 3-4 months. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and you guys better like this video. You better like it because it's so requested. Okay, this is gonna be kind of a vlog style type of room tour. It's not gonna be all like fancy, artsy, cool. I really did want to do that, but I did think about it and it's a lot of work to do that. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and let's just get right on with the room tour. Let's go. What is up, guys? The room tour is happening. Okay, so this is the door, and we're gonna go this way. So here we have Miss Giraffe Lady, which one of my friends likes to call her because she has a long ass neck. Do you guys see that? I'm pretty sure, I don't remember where this is from, but I'll put it down in the description if you guys want to buy her. She's kind of cute, she's kind of stylish. Then we have my mirrors, my closet door mirrors. I am obsessed with these. I love these so much. Like, we love her. And I'll give you guys a little tour. Then I have my little computer desk area. I never use her. I never use her, but it's funny. All of these things are from IKEA. And then I just have my MacBook, which I edit all my videos on. And I also use this every time I'm grounded. So. Then I have this, and this is also from HomeGoods. And I just have like pictures of me and my sister.
Aww.
Me being the cuter one, obviously. This is my favorite spot in my room. Like, weirdly, this is my favorite spot. But I love my curtains. Like, I love like the shapes, the rectangles. Then I have like my little nightstand here. And this is from Amazon. I love this mirror. Like, it's my favorite mirror ever. I have that, and then I have my clips here and like rubber bands. I have these flowers, and these are from HomeGoods, I'm pretty sure too, and they're just white fake flowers. I have my remotes for my light, and then my Amazon lights, which I'll show you guys right now. And then I have what has replaced my Google, Alexa. We love her too.
I don't know that.
She doesn't know we love it, but we do. And I have like other like my makeup palettes and stuff, and like other things that you guys will not know about. And then here we have my makeup collection. Okay, so then we have my bed, which I know people are gonna come at me in the comments because it's so small. Like, I've seen those memes where like how do people sleep at night? This is like the board, and I can't tell you where this is from because this actually got made because they don't really sell these like.
Wow. Sorry guys, I can't link it in the description because it was custom made.
Then I have my fairy lights, which aren't fairy lights, but
Oh, I'm done with this video. My back hurts.
shut up! So these are from IKEA, and that's all you need to know. We have this pillow from HomeGoods, and it's just like this fluffy pillow. Then I have this, and These are like a set, but I don't know where this is from either. It's the same place that made the giraffe lady. Then I have these lights in my room, which I get asked about all the time. Do you guys see the lights? I get asked about them all the time. Oh, I forgot about my flowers.
Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, and they're all from HomeGoods. Next.
Okay, then we have another nightstand, and we have this ugly ass bicycle. I hate these. Then I have my backpack, which I don't want to talk about because she's ugly. Then I have this old TV, which we're not going to talk about. I don't even use it. I don't know why I still have it in my room. We have a mic that I literally used one for an ASMR video, and it doesn't even like go onto my new camera, so I don't know why I still have it. And I have this other thing that's like those light up lights, and it's just a camera. I have 4 drawers going down, and these are also from IKEA. I have school stuff down there, and I have all my YouTube stuff in here, like all these clothes that I still need to like review and stuff. Oh, and then we have my dog, which I really didn't want her to come in here.
Wait, I'm exposing my Mickey Mouse pajamas.
Then we have this, and this is just a blanket that I never use, but decoration is key. So I'll see you guys all later, because she literally sucks. Like, if
Don't show me. We should film another one. But not today, because I'm tired.
Good night, mama. Okay guys, so that was my room tour. I know it kind of sucked because my sister, I'm sorry if the camera or the angles and stuff was really bad, but that's basically my room. It's such a requested video, so I really wanted to do it. It's honestly not that big of a deal. I really don't have anything exciting in here, but you guys want to see it, so. And I will see you guys all in my next video, so goodbye.